To see what the output looks like, we can generate different types of reports from the report library up top. First, we're going to see the detailed reports. Semantria can pull out many things from each piece of text. So from each comment, we can pull out many things. We can pull out sentiment score. We can pull out sentiment phrases, the words people are using to express their emotions in each comment. We can pull out themes. We can pull out entities. We can pull out entity themes. We can categorize the comments into different buckets using these 3 different categorizers. And we can also pull out intentions from each comment as well. To see these, the output, we have to generate different tabs in Excel. And the way to do that is to just click on this drop down and select the report that you want to see. So let's start with the first one, which is document overview. So let's click on that one. And here we have the report. This report shows us the document ID for each document that we analyzed. It gives us the source text. It gives us a summary of each document. It gives us the language the document is in. It gives us a sentiment score for each document, and also a polarity, whether it's negative, positive, or neutral. And it also ports forward all the structured data that you were collecting as a part of the data set. So the metadata columns that we had selected when we were selecting the data in the wizard, all those columns make their way into the output file, so you can see the structured data along with Semantria results side by side. It makes it really easy when you want to see correlations or create pivot tables from within Excel. Now let's talk about sentiment and how we calculate it. The way we calculate sentiment is we have a dictionary of about 200,000 sentiment-bearing phrases in English, about 150,000 in French, and so on and so forth. And what the algorithm does is it takes a look at a document. It finds all the sentiment-bearing phrases in it, like bad, rude, inefficient, etc. It also understands amplification and negation. So it understands very rude is going to amplify the score for rude and make it more negative. Not cleaned is going to flip the sign for cleaned and make it negative, etc. And it uses all that information to come up with an overall document sentiment score from approximately -2 to +2. It gives us a great idea of what kind of emotional intensity is there in the document. We also give a very binary look at sentiment, which is whether it's negative, positive, or neutral. And we can also adjust the ranges of where neutral starts and ends from the output settings box right here as well.